Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to upload new firmware OTA or over the air to our ESP32 boards. So we will upload the same code but we will change this sentence. So let's save it in a new project, save as, and let's call it OTA underscore simple code ESP32. Now save your code and make sure that any code that you are uploading has the async elegant OTA lines so that when you want to make a future update, you can have access to the update section of the web server. So it depends on any code you are trying to upload. You have to make few edits. You have to add these two lines. You have to add the lines relevant to the elegant server, like this line, and add these three libraries. Now, adding these will make sure that if you want to send a new update, it will be something you can do because you already have the elegant server enabled inside your new project or new code. So let's say that this is a new code and we have added the elegant OTA begin so that whenever we have a future update, we can also send it OTA. Now let's update this line. Let's make it this code update was sent over the air, OTA. Now let's compile it. Now the first thing that I will show you is that my ESP board is not connected. So go to the tools and here we have it connected at COM4. Now I will disconnect it and connect it to a power supply instead of connecting it to my computer. So now if we went to the device manager, as you can see here, in the COM ports, we don't have an ESP board. Now, done compiling. Every file or every project that we need to upload OTA or over the air should be in .bin format. Now, to get your .bin format for a project that you are working on using the Arduino IDE, make sure to open your sketch, then go to sketch and select export compiled binary. Once you click here, it will start compiling the sketch and will create a .bin file for you inside your sketch folder. That's the bin or .bin file that you should upload using the elegant OTA web page if you want to update the firmware on your ESP32 or if you want to send a code update to your ESP32. Now, to get your binary file, you can click Show Sketch Folder, go to Sketch. Once done compiling, click Show Sketch Folder. Now, as you can see here, we have the sketch folder and we have the .bin file that we need to upload. This is our sketch and this is the .bin file. Now we have our ESP connected to a power supply. So we need to try to access the IP address. Now, as you can see, when you write 192.168.0.100, which is the IP address for our ESP board, you will get the default message from our previous code. So let's refresh the page to make sure that it works. As you can see, we are still getting the same code. Now to update the firmware, you need to write /update and you will get this page. Now simply copy this directory, go to choose file. Again, the IP address /update, choose file, and in here you need to paste your folder, and here we have the .bin file that we created. And again, we created this file by going to our sketch and export compiled binary. Bin stands for binary. Now double click on it, and as you can see, it's already uploaded to our ESP32 board. Now 100% means that the code is uploaded and ready for us to see. Now OTA success. The check mark means that there were no errors and you can select the back button. Now you need to wait a few seconds, then you need to visit the IP address. As you can see, once we visit the IP address, we have the new code uploaded and running. This code update was sent over the air OTA. And to make sure that this is indeed sent over the air, you can always go and check the port. We don't have COM4, and in the device manager we don't have COM4 as well. So we don't have any port connected, and we just sent the code over the air. Now let's do it again by updating this code. Let's write OTA version 2.0 update wirelessly. So let's verify the code. Now after verifying, we need to create a new binary file with the method that we already mentioned. Now go to Sketch, export compiled binary. Done compiling. Now go to Tools, Sketch, Show Sketch folder, and here we have the updated OTA binary. Now again, go to your web browser. Now when you refresh the page, you will see that we have this code. Write /update, click choose file, and select the binary file. Wait until you see the successful mark. Now this code is being sent over the internet or over our network without any wired connections. Success. Now back. You can visit the IP address, and as you can see, OTA version 2 updated wirelessly. That's it. Now, one last thing that we need to mention again is that when you have a code and you want to update it over or to send it over the air, you need to make sure that you are adding these lines and this line, and scroll down. Also add these lines to make sure that in any future update, and if you want to send it over the air, your code will be enabled and ready to receive OTA updates. If you forgot to add these lines and you updated the code, you won't have access to the async elegant OTA update feature. Now, if I commented these lines here, and okay, here, we can leave these. If we commented this line as well, we can leave this one. If we commented the libraries and left just the web server library, and if we uploaded the code, export compiled binary. Now this code won't have the OTA feature because we removed these two lines and we remove the async line. Okay, we removed the server feature, which is feature that we should have kept because it's an ESP server or web server. Now this is the problem. Now go export compiled binary again. Export compiled binary. Okay, done compiling. Now the previous code has the OTA feature. So we can click choose file, update. Now the new code that you are uploading does not have the OTA update feature, the elegant OTA library. So it will successfully be uploaded to our board, but it will not support the OTA update. So when we click go back, you will see that we have the new code, but when we select update, as you can see, this page is not working. We don't have the OTA feature, It's just because we forgot to add this line and these 2 lines for the libraries. So by enabling these 3 lines in our code, it will be OTA enabled. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching this lesson. Now if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to help. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.